Becoming a cancer patient advocate is an easy, meaningful way to make a difference. Cancer patient advocates speak out about issues important to people affected by cancer and empower others to act. To become an advocate, all it takes is passion and a willingness to engage. The Cancer Support Community's Cancer Policy Institute runs a grassroots advocacy network where members can receive information on policy decisions affecting the cancer community and learn about ways to get involved in shaping policy decisions. Anyone can sign up for the Grassroots Network. There are other ways to advocate. Contact your elected officials and share your concerns through email, social media, or by phone. Your voice can influence officials as they make important decisions. Sharing your story with elected officials as someone affected by cancer is powerful. It makes the issues at hand personal. Voting is another simple but powerful advocacy tool. Become an informed voter to help elect people who care about what's important to you. The Cancer Policy Institute is here to support you and guide you through your advocacy efforts.